In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to create a shape, apply a gradient to it, and fine-tune the look so it fits your design perfectly. First, open Affinity Designer on your computer and make sure you have a document ready to work in. Take a moment to locate the main areas we'll use: the Tools panel on the left side and the color controls in the upper right area of the interface. Keeping an object selected while you work is important because color and gradient changes apply to whatever is currently active. Next, head to the toolbar on the left and choose the Shape tool. You can pick any basic shape. A rectangle or ellipse is perfect for demonstrating gradients. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. If you can't see a fill, don't worry, we're about to add one. Just be sure the shape is selected so the gradient applies to it. Now click the Fill tool on the left. In Affinity Designer, this is the tool that creates and edits gradients. With your shape selected, click and drag across it to place a gradient line. You'll see two gradient stops appear at the ends of that line and a smooth blend in between. That's your starting gradient. Look to the top right area for the color panel or swatches. Select the first gradient stop by clicking it on the shape, then choose a color from the panel. This sets the starting color of your gradient. Click the opposite stop and choose your second color. If you prefer, you can use HSL, RGB, or swatches, whatever is fastest for you. If you accidentally set the stroke color instead of the fill, just toggle to fill in the color panel and try again. If you switch tools while picking colors, click the Fill tool on the left again to keep editing the gradient. Now adjust the gradient to your liking. Drag the end handles to change its direction and length. Move the midpoint diamond to bias the blend toward one color or the other. You can add more color stops by clicking on the gradient line. Then, assign each new stop a color in the top right panel. For different looks, use the options in the context toolbar to switch between linear and radial gradients, and tweak the angle or spread for subtle transitions. For even more control, adjust opacity on individual stops to create soft fades. That's it. Open the app, draw a shape, select the Fill tool, pick your colors at the top right, reselect the Fill tool if needed, and fine-tune the gradient until it's perfect.